Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm answering the question, how do I add money to Affirm? Now, based on the service you're using with Affirm, adding money can refer to two different actions. It could mean adding money to an Affirm money account or making a payment towards an Affirm loan or purchase. Here are the steps for both. If you add money to your Affirm money account, that is your savings account, what you do is sign into your account in the Affirm app or at affirm.com. Then tap or click on money or deposit. Then select add money. Enter the amount you want to add. Choose the bank account you want to transfer money from. You can use an existing linked account or add a new one. Choose how often you want to make a transfer. Is it once, weekly, every other week, or monthly? Then tap or click continue. Review your transfer details and tap submit or click confirm. Now, if you're making a payment towards your Affirm loan or purchase, what you do is sign into your account in the Affirm app or at affirm.com. Navigate to manage or loans. Select the purchase or loan you want to pay. Tap or click on make a payment or pay, depending on which appears. Choose the payment amount, the payment date, and payment method. It could be debit card, checking account, or Affirm money accounts. Credit cards may be accepted for down payments or for paying full plans. So once you've chosen the one, then you tap or click on pay or submit payment. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.